I might as well. Well, why? What's your phone at?
We're here.
Okay, honey Flu. That Aussie's so cute. Ooh. Ooh. Need good shoes here.
Good girl. Stay there.
Honey! That's good. Hi!
Honey. Honey.
I can go through here. Careful.
wouldn't come here on a hot day though.
No.
It'd be packed.
I see gum.
No, me too.
Take it. Huh? Coconuts! This is where I need a nice camera. Whoopee! Poor honey. She probably wants like a little brother or sister. Little brother. A big brother. But younger brother. Right, babe?
What are you jumping?
It's actually perfect weather.
Why are you jumping on me?
Hi, honey puppy.
What do you want from me?
She's excited. She's gonna jump on you again. I can sense it. See? She's like, Dad, I want to go in the water with those dogs. Where are the ducks? Ducks.
Dog?
Ducks. Quack.
Out here.
Oh, that's nice view. She loves the water.
You slide, you're going in.
Oh my god! I almost did. I'm not going down.
I'm not talking to you.
I know, but I almost did. Hi, honey Fluff. Hey, you don't want to go? These shoes aren't really good.
Where are you going?
Whoopee! Honey, you keep looking back. Not lazy. Whoopee!
How old are you?
Whoopee! She's tired already. We hardly even walked.
Hey, what the hell?
Come on. Come on, Whoopee. I want to go dip in the water. Honey! Not really getting along all that. So nice.
Honey,
That's fine.
hey.
Honey, look! You choose a good grip. Oh, no, not working for me. I don't want to go that far.
What's going over there, honey?
you read my mind. Whoopi, you want some water? I kind of do. Wait.
Honey.
This is crazy.
Hey.
Yeah, right here. Come on, Fluffernuts. Fluffernutty. It's a nice view. I thought that was a duck.
Baby ducks.
Oh yeah. I was like, I wanted two ducks. I found them. That's cool. She's like, please, I got this. Right, Fluffy? Oh, jeez. Come on, honey. Oh, that's beautiful. Hi, honey. I'm trying to get down. Babe, I might need a hand. Or not. I need more shoes with grip. Better shoes. That's random. Oh. That's cute. I like the way that looks. Hi, honey. Look at the little pods. Oh my God. Any animals? Any fish?
Yup, there she goes.
She's like, I don't really care.
She just went
Fluffy.
right in there.
Say, Mama, I can take a picture in here. Honey. Oh, these big bumpers. You gonna catch fish?
Oh my God.
She is a water. Those chicken legs. Tiny little. Puppy.
Watch.
I see it. It's nice that you look out for me. Babe, you look good in blue. This is nice. Hi, birdie. Sounds like a mail car. Well, why are you looking back? They should have signs. It's a beautiful day for it, though. Okay. Oh, he's little bathing. He's like, I better bathe as much as I can. Bye. It's actually really nice. I'd come here again. Don't drink that. Okay. Be nice to take a walk here with my dad.
I'm swimming. Okay.
Oh, there's a birdie in there. You're gonna send the birdies.
Want to come over here?
This one looks nice. It looks nice. I like this. Maybe I can get a picture.
It's going with the monkey now, so.
Yeah, I was just going.
Yeah, on the monkey side.
Honey, come on.
Oh, there
This
she
is like
goes.
perfect.
There she goes. Look at I get your stick for you.
I want a nice picture with the background, but kind of hard. She don't go in. Yay! See, I'm in it. She's like, what's this? Okay, I should don't want to. God, he's so cute. Take a video. Not that it's close enough, but it looks so
Got it.
cute.
Oh, maybe I didn't. There you go. He's not a shy guy.
No, don't let it go close. I just want to zoom in.
He's really not a shy guy. Oh, what are you enjoying there, buddy?
Ah!
Oh, he's
I
like, I
gotta
take my
look.
shading out.
I got it. What was that, honey? I swear I saw a mouse.
Chipmunk ran away.
She's just trying to become friends. There's this hole.
He's like, there.
He's in there. There's a lot of little guys here. It's cute. This would be a perfect place to take it. Hi, Puppy. No, Doggy. It's like, Doggy. Oh my gosh, she's walking fast. Whoopee. Come on, honey. Sun and lighting is horrible here. See if she'll go in. No?
He's like, thanks, I already did that one.
Oh, look at it. That looks like another dog from my work, but they only have one, so that's not it. Oh my god, English bulldogs are so cute. Wait, I want to get a picture of that bridge. It'd be nice for people to know.
Oh, there she goes. There she goes.
Good girl. She's used to it. Now when we go fishing, she's gonna love it.
Hey, no.
Honey, be nice. No growling. Let's keep going. Okay.
Okay.
The lighting on my camera is horrible. Come on, honey, fish.
Let's see what she does.
Honey! She's What is that, Dada? This is nice. Whoopee. Hey. Oh, you scared me, Fluffanax. Oh. Woofy. You little bite.